Animals king cobra. Animals king cobra.
Animals king cobra, the largest venomous snake in the world. It has yellow or black scales and produces potent neurotoxic venom that damages the nervous system. Found in Southeast Asian rainforests.
Animals anaconda. Animals anaconda.
Animals anaconda, the largest species in the boa family. Native to South American aquatic habitats, it is non-venomous and kills prey by constriction.
Animals black mamba. Animals black mamba.
One of Africa's fastest and most venomous snakes. It has olive green or brown scales with a black-colored mouth. Its neurotoxic venom can be fatal. Burmese python. Burmese python. A large non-venomous constrictor native to Southeast Asia. It suffocates prey and can grow up to 5 meters long. Eastern diamondback rattlesnake. A venomous pit viper with a rattle on its tail. Found in the southeastern U.S., it has diamond-shaped patterns and a reddish-brown zigzag stripe.
Gaboon Viper. Gaboon Viper.
A venomous African snake with the longest fangs. Its leaf-patterned scales provide camouflage in Central African forests.
Coral snake. Coral snake.
A small brightly colored snake, red, yellow, and black bands. Found in warm regions, its neurotoxic venom is potent but rarely encountered due to its reclusive nature.
Inland taipan.
A large non-venomous snake from South America. It kills prey by constriction and has brownish-red patterned scales.
Boa Constrictor. Boa Constrictor.
Inland taipan, the world's most venomous snake. Native to Australia's outback, its venom can kill a human within 45 minutes.
Green tree python. Green tree python.
Green tree python, a non-venomous arboreal snake from Southeast Asia and Australia. It has vibrant green scales, and its color may change with age.